In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the calendar view in Google Calendar. To get started, open Google Chrome and go to Google Calendar. Once the calendar is fully loaded, take a moment to look at the top right area of the screen. This section contains several controls you can use to adjust how your calendar is displayed, and it's where you'll find the option we need for this task. Now focus on the header area near the settings gear icon. Right next to those main settings controls, you'll see the Active View drop-down selector. In many cases, this will currently say something like week or month, depending on the view that is already selected in your calendar. This drop-down is what controls how your calendar is organized on screen. Go ahead and click that Active View drop-down. When you select it, Google Calendar will show the available display options for viewing your schedule. This is useful because different layouts can help you focus on different kinds of planning. For example, a weekly view can help you manage appointments across several days at once, while a monthly view gives you a broader overview of upcoming events. The important part here is simply recognizing where this menu is located and opening it successfully. If you don't see the label right away, look carefully near the top right corner of the calendar interface, just beside the gear-shaped settings icon. On some screen sizes, the layout may appear slightly compressed, but the view selector will still be in that same general area. If the page looks different than expected, make sure you are on the main Google Calendar page and not inside a separate settings panel. The dropdown we're using appears in the main calendar view, where your schedule is visible in the center of the screen. Once you click the Active View dropdown selector, you've completed the action shown in this tutorial. From here, you can continue by choosing the calendar view that best matches how you want to plan and review your time. That's it for this walkthrough. You now know exactly where to find the calendar view selector in Google Calendar and how to open it quickly whenever you need to adjust the way your schedule is displayed.